Craving something tasty? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to spot for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Discover dishes that are elegant yet affordable. Perfect for any occasion. Ready to whip up something amazing? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Let's get cooking.
What I wish I knew at 5 p.m. instead of 9 p.m. How to whip up a quick and tasty spicy Thai peanut curry. Let's get started. First we'll prep our veggies, grab some bell peppers, carrots and snap peas, bright and colorful, dice them up nicely. Next, tofu time. Cut your tofu into bite-sized cubes. Now for the star of the show, the sauce. Mix together peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, a bit of honey and a dash of red curry paste. Smooth, creamy and with a spicy kick. Heat up a pan with a drizzle of oil. Toss in the tofu and veggies and stir fry till they're golden and tender. Pour in our amazing peanut sauce and let it simmer for a few minutes. The aroma is irresistible. Serve it up hot with some steamed rice or noodles and there you have it. A quick, easy and absolutely delicious spicy Thai peanut curry. Don't forget to subscribe to Culinary Recipe Creations for more mouth-watering recipes. Bon appétit! If you're drooling over that recipe, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to tap that notification bell for tasty updates. We hope you enjoyed this video from Culinary Recipe Creations. Thanks for watching and see you soon.